Don't you ever think like that. From now on, your child is your only concern. Forget about everything else. All that matters is you and your baby. Life really is just truly unfair. I was the one who killed him. My only child, and I ended his life. I still believe the reason you came back here is to save everyone. That child's completely innocent in all this. It's certainly not her fault she was born in this hellhole. Saved me and a baby son. I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you, sir. Please,